Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy gems in Brawl Stars with Paysafecard on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, check if Paysafecard is supported for in-app purchases on the App Store in your region. Now, keep in mind that payment methods can vary and some regions may not support Paysafecard. After that, open the App Store on your iPhone. Then go to your Apple ID account settings, and you can find this by tapping on your profile picture. Next, select Payment and Shipping or a similar option. Next, choose Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to add Paysafecard if available. Now launch the Brawl Stars application on your iPhone, then navigate to the in-game shape or section where you can purchase gems. After that, select the number of gems you want to purchase, then choose the payment method during the checkout process. If Paysafecard is added to your Apple ID payment methods, you may see it as an option during the purchase process. Now, select Paysafecard as your payment method, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the transaction. So that's basically how you can buy gems in Brawl Stars with Paysafecard on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.